Look at it go! Way off the side. You hear me? We got everything put together. Had to adjust it. And we'll see if she works now. Should work. Should work. So we had her all tarped. We had a temporary garage going in there. But it's got too hot. It's about 85, 90 degrees in there. Mad Dog is assembled and putting together a new foot valve. Control the shoulder. Up in there. Boom. I'll spin you around. Take you to the other side. Take you right to the other side. I got the winch cover back off. I took the winch cover back off. I got a video of that. Adjusted everything up. Bled everything out, so that should hold now. Everything should be good. It's in operation. Everything's working. And right here, it's a new foot valve. That is for your emergency brakes. Later, dude. Love ya. For your emergency brakes and your foot brakes, and separates everything so one's not dragging, vice versa. But yeah, got the new U-joints in her.